Hello, my dear students. My name is Khushbu and I welcome you back on my channel. So, students, tell me one thing. Do you enjoy your grandparents' company? Yes. Do your grandparents stay with you? Or they stay in village? You know that in earlier times, almost all the people stay in one home, like all the members, parents, grandparents, uncles, aunts, cousins, everyone stay in one single family. So today we will start chapter number 3, the nuclear test of book 5, term 2. I hope you all know about nuclear family and joint family. You have studied it in your previous chapters in your previous classes. A big family gives us security, more love and affection. We love our grandparents' company. So in this lesson, the nuclear test, it is about Anjali. In this story, Anjali's character, how she behaves when her grandparents will come and how she changes staying with them. We will learn everything in this lesson, the nuclear test. Let's start with first paragraph. Amma, why are you removing all my things from the cupboard? Anjali asked in a voice which sounded like she was ready for a fight. Here, Anjali was asking from her mother that why she is removing all her stuff from the cupboard. She is having separate room, but still, why her mother is taking out all the things from her room? You already know, Anjali. Dada and Dadi are going to need some place for keeping their things, her mother replied firmly. So here Anjali's mother is telling to Anjali that your grandparents are coming and they will be staying with them. So she was removing her stuff from the room so that the grandparents will keep their clothes. But Ma, where will my things go? This has been my room since I was a baby. Why should I give up everything just because Dada and Dadi are coming to live with us? Cried Anjali. Anjali was angry and she was saying that I will not give my room to anyone. This is my room, or where will I keep my things? So she was not ready to share anything. Come on Anju, you are not giving up everything. You are only going to sleep on the couch in the hall instead of in this room. Anju is a nickname of Anjali. And your things can be accommodated elsewhere, replied her mother, trying to be sensitive but feeling rather exasperated with her daughter's endless objections. Anjali's mother was answering very sweetly and politely to Anjali, and she was trying to convince her that her things will not go anywhere. She has to just sleep on the couch. Couch means sofa in the hall instead of her room, and her things will be accommodated, means they will arrange the things somewhere else in the home. But Anjali is not listening and Anjali is shouting again and again. This is how it had been ever since Anjali had been told that her grandparents would be living with them from now on. They had recently sold off all their land in the little village where they had lived most of their life. Dada was nudging 70 now and was too old to be able to run the farm all by himself. He had promised he would not leave his beloved land till he dies, but he was finding it more and more difficult to live there alone. Anjali's grandfather was nudging 70, means he was about to reach the age of 70, So it was quite difficult for him to live there, to work in the fields or to work in the land. So he sold all the land and thought to come to visit Anjali's father's house, that is to Pune. All his children had migrated to the cities. Two of Anjali's chachachis were abroad. Only Papa lived in Pune while Rita Bua was in Delhi. Dada had been persuaded by Anjali's father to come and live with them. Papa wanted all of them to be together as a joint family. He could then take care of his aging parents. So it was the decision of Anjali's father. He wanted to take care of his aging parents and he suggested his parents to come and live with him in the Pune. He wanted his family as a joint family. Of course, Anjali enjoyed meeting her grandparents during her holidays. But that did not mean she was going to be giving up her room for them. Anjali was an only child. Never in her life had she liked sharing anything, and she was not ready to change now. During holidays, Anjali liked to go to village and meet her grandparents. But she don't want her grandparents to come and stay because she don't want to share her room with them. See students, if you are having any brother or sister at your home, so you know how to share your things. You share your all the things, chocolates, toffees, anything you get, even your pencils, erasers from your brothers or sisters. But Anjali was only child. She don't know what is sharing. She don't even like to share her things with anyone. So now you are able to understand the nature of Anjali. So let's see whether she would be able to share her things with her grandparents or not. But for that you have to wait for next video. Till the time, stay home, stay safe. Thank you for watching the video. Like the video, subscribe the channel. Don't forget to mention your name, class and section in comment box. Have a nice day.